Hi, I'm Joe from the Game Hub, back with another 60-second snapshot. Today we're going to be talking about Dungeons and Dragons. Now with D&D, there's a bit too much to be talking about in a minute, so instead I'm going to be focusing on the starter set. This is ideal for anyone who wants to start playing the game and running their own games. So as always, I've got 60 seconds, which are starting now. So the starter set, an absolute bargain at $35 here at the Game Hub. Included in that, you're going to get the basic rules, which one person specifically is going to have to read. You're then going to get 5 pre-generated character sheets. That's how everyone's going to play the game, make it a little different for everyone. And you get 1 set of polyhedral dice, which you're going to need to play, and also the most important thing, the adventure book. Within the adventure book, it's a 64-page adventure running players from level 1 to 5. If you've ever enjoyed watching Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, playing online RPGs, this genuinely could change the game, so to speak, for you. For myself, I used to play a lot of video games, and now I spend a hell of a lot of time playing D&D. Once you have finished with the starter set, you could also look at some of the additional modules. The player's handbook being the main book that you're going to need as a player, and the monster manual for those dungeon masters. As well as that, you can then be getting different adventures, which prolong you further than that initial 1 to 5. But that is D&D starter set in 60 seconds.